Welcome to Job Outlook for Software Engineers. After watching this video, you will be able to explain why demand is high for software engineers, describe the job outlook for a software engineer, describe what to expect from a software engineering role, and describe the employment options in software engineering. There are various reasons behind the current high demand for software engineers. Almost all industries need software to compete and grow, and this results in a continuous demand for software engineers. Most organizations require applications and websites for their company to function. Some apps and websites are for internal use, while others are used to interact with customers. The Internet of Things is also driving the need for software that interacts with products. This is a need that will continue to expand for the foreseeable future. All types of software programs, from messaging applications to commerce websites to office software, are available in different flavors from different vendors. Whenever one vendor releases a new version of their particular program, a competing company is likely to also update their program, requiring more software engineers to create the new releases, enhance functionality, and add new capabilities. So, the outlook is bright for software engineers. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts a higher than average 22% job growth rate for software developers, analysts, and testers from 2020 to 2030. That's an average of almost 200,000 openings each year in the United States alone. These roles are likely to be across many industries, from mobile application development to health and insurance. There is also predicted to be a large increase in security software due to the increase in computer security threats and cybercrime. Many software engineers are graduates with degrees in software engineering or computer science. However, increasingly, employers like IBM, Google, and Tesla are starting to hire non-graduates who demonstrate the required skills for the role. This opens software engineering up to a wider range of society, ensuring that the cost of obtaining a degree doesn't preclude candidates from the industry. Salaries for software engineers vary significantly with years of experience in the field. As you acquire more experience and become harder to replace, employers typically provide higher compensation. In the USA, salaries range from $90,000 for a junior role through to $120,000 or higher for an experienced position. The average of $110,000 per annum for a software engineer is more than 2.5 times the average base salary across the USA. This, alongside bonuses and benefits such as medical insurance, gym membership, profit shares, and retirement plans, make a software engineering role an attractive proposition. So, what should you expect from a software engineering role? Dress codes are unlikely to be formal unless you're in a customer-facing situation. Hours are often flexible, sometimes around core hours set in the middle of the day. You may occasionally be required to attend meetings or calls which can dictate a physical or online presence at a particular time of the day. And the number of hours are likely to increase as you get near to product release dates, often without any matching increase in pay. The flexibility to work from home varies across employers, but there is no technological reasons why this cannot be done. In fact, some software teams are spread across the globe, working across all hours of the day. Software engineer employers include almost any type of business that you can imagine, from large technology companies such as Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google, also known as FAANG, to medium-sized software companies that develop specific software and solutions to small software houses and startups. And almost all large non-technology companies, like banks, retailers, and pharmaceuticals, need software engineers for their own internal or external systems. And lastly, most employers will encourage continual learning, whether that be expanding your technical skills or enhancing your soft skills. They're usually keen to invest in keeping your skills up to date so that you can develop the best software solutions for them. Now, in the software engineering world, regardless of your job title, there are different employment options to suit your lifestyle and situation. Employed roles in a company or organization provide stability and a regular income. These can range from an apprenticeship or internship to a part-time role through to a full-time role. In software engineering, more so than a typical job, there is a huge independent contracting market and opportunities in the gig economy. These can range from simple website development to super specialized skills, languages, stacks, and products. In this type of employment, you can provide contract or consultancy services to organizations on a time-based or project-based model, or you can work on a freelance basis, taking on short-term contracts to work on projects that interest you. And many software engineers also code for free as volunteers, contributing to open-source projects. This can help you gain experience, enhance your skills, improve your employment opportunities, and enhance your technical eminence. It also makes you feel good by doing something for a cause or community or social initiative that's important to you. In this video, you learned that the high demand for software engineers is due to increasing needs for software, increasing complexity of applications, and a continuing growth of technology. The outlook for software engineers is promising. The role of a software engineer can be flexible and satisfying, and that employment options for software engineers are flexible and varied from full-time employment through to voluntary activities.